Here's another update. I got my extruder finished and I'm running the cup code. This is a little cup my CNC machine made. Just kind of as the extruder test wasn't very good. This is what's coming out right now on the new machine, and it's looking really good. There's the extruder. I didn't put a guide up here yet. I got to put a little ferrule right up there. And out back you can see that I've got a temp control unit back there. And I'm running 180C on the PLA filament here. What I'll do is let it run this for a while, and I'll take some more images as it starts the sides of the cup there, so you can see what the sides look like. The original cup here had pretty much a real basket weave rough finish, but it was just an extruder test on my CNC. I didn't spend a lot of time setting everything up properly. Didn't have a proper heater control on the extruder. So anyways, let this run and I'll have another update as the cup completes. Now here you can see the sides of the cup starting to form there. That's how tall it will be when it's done. Didn't get a real good picture of the temp control unit in the last video, so here, let me see if I can move this around back here. There it is. On the right, the 180C is what I've set the pot at, the ideal temperature. On the left is the temperature the thermistor is measuring on the hot end of the extruder, and it's automatically adjusted. On the upper right there, a little LED goes on and off, there it goes, as it's turning on and off the temperature to the extruder. Pretty nifty gadget. So I'll let this go some more and I'll take another video as it gets closer to completing the top of the cup here. Well, the little basket just finished. I didn't get to the camera quick enough to film it finishing, but anywho, got some spider webs inside, which from what I've read about the whole thing is that's adjustable in slicer. You have to back the extruder off quicker as it's the nozzle's making a move from one point to the other. So it just has to pull the filament back real quick to keep it from getting little spider web deals. But anywho, here is the finished deal, and this was the first run of my 3D printer. And I'll have more projects printing in the future here, but this was the first run and a test. I just did the same little bucket that I did in my original extruder test in my CNC just to compare. They look pretty much the same, but this one finished about 3 times quicker than my CNC machine was able to. So, alright, that's it for the update on the first run on the new 3D printer.